Part 2, variable and constants. Very first we are going to see about variables. So what is a variable? So variable means the value can be changed time to time, or depend upon the situation the value is changed. So that time we can use the variable. So if there is an unknown quantities, that time also we can use the variables. So always the variables are represented by an alphabet. That alphabet should be in lowercase letters. So example, here we are going to see about the matchstick patterns. So very first I am making one square. For making the one square using the matchstick, how many matchstick I need? I need 4 matchsticks. So next I am making the 2 square which are sticked together. That time I need the matchstick is in 7 matchsticks. Next I am going to make the 3 matchstick. That time I need 10 matchsticks. So here some patterns are followed by to arrange the square using the matchsticks. So what is the pattern here used is an 3n plus 1. So here n is the variable. So why n is the variable? N is the alphabet which is denoted as a lowercase letters. So that why n is called as a variable. So what I said, the definition, depend upon the situation the value of the variable is changed. So here if I want to make one square, I can substitute n value as 1. Then 3 into 1, 3 plus 1 is 4. So I can get the how many matchstick I need? I have to need 4 matchsticks. So if I want to make 2 square, then n value is 2. Then 3 into 2, that is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So how many matchstick is needed to make the square? 2 square. 7 matchstick is needed. So depend upon the condition or depend upon the situation, the value of n is changed. So that the value, the n is called as a variable. Next one is Manu has 2 erasers more than Tanu. Form an expression for the statement. So what is the problem given here? There is a 2 person, one is an Manu and another one is an Tanu. So these 2 persons are having the erasers. We don't know how much eraser is Tanu have. So we took it as x because the unknown quantity is taken as x. So here we are took the variable as an x. Then the number of eraser Manu has equal to. So what is the condition given here? Manu has 2 eraser more than Tanu. So that is how much eraser that Tanu has plus 2. So we can write it as x plus 2, that is the number of eraser Tanu has plus 2. So if the number of eraser Tanu has is 1, how much eraser then Manu will have? 3. So if the number of eraser Tanu has is 2, the number of eraser with Manu is 4. So that is the expression. So here the variable used is an x. So depend upon the situation, the value of x is changed. So next one is a constant. So constant means it is a fixed values. It cannot be changed. So for example, 2x plus 5. So this is an expression. In that expression, 2 and 5 are called as a constant. So if 5 is equal to 0, is it true? No. Always 5 means 5. It cannot be equal to 0. So the value is cannot be changed. That is called as a constant. The value is fixed. That is called as a constant.